Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp on PC and or laptop. Now, there's two methods you can do this. You can install it on your browser or you can install it with a Microsoft Store. So for example, if I just search up WhatsApp desktop here and I search this up, you can see there's whatsapp.com and you can see you can download WhatsApp for Windows here. Just click on this, download from the Microsoft Store, and you can see there's a WhatsApp installer right here. Just click on this, click on run, and you can see on Microsoft Store, it'll automatically open it up, and then you can see WhatsApp is gonna be installed. Right now, I already have the latest version installed, so it's just not installing. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do this without downloading anything from the browser. We're just gonna do it straight from the Microsoft Store. So from the search bar here, just search up Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store like this. Now on Microsoft Store, wait for it to load. Once it's loaded like this, you want to go on the upper section here, and then you want to search up WhatsApp like this. WhatsApp. And then you can see there's WhatsApp right here. Don't install WhatsApp beta, just install WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp here, just click on it. Now I have it installed, but instead of installed, it should be click on installed here. So just click on install and then you'll have WhatsApp on your PC and or laptop. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.